Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel Offer Amazon. Today I discuss you about Best Microwave India 2021. In Western countries, you would rarely find a kitchen without a microwave oven. The trend is gradually catching up in India as well, with the modern day woman preferring to invest in a top microwave oven. This concept is new to India. Hence, it is natural for people to have some misconceptions about this kitchen appliance. We shall deal with them later on in this video. However, we wish to clear one misconception right at the beginning of the video itself. Many people have the belief that a microwave oven is beneficial for cooking non-vegetarian food alone. This video will prove them wrong. Microwave ovens are fit for every kitchen. There are hundreds of vegetarian recipes you can prepare with a great degree of efficiency using this appliance. Starting on this note, we shall look at the best microwave ovens in India. We highly recommend you to read the microwave oven buying guide at the end of the video to get in-depth knowledge about all the latest microwave oven technologies. Best microwave ovens in India. India is a growing market for microwave ovens. You get some of the best appliances in India. The top manufacturers whose products are available in India are IFB, LG, Samsung, Bajaj and Morphy Richards. Let us review some models in these top brands of microwave ovens. All these models are available on Amazon. Best convection microwave ovens. If you want to buy, the Amazon link given in description, and if you buy from this link, the channel will help you. Number 5 on my list, IFB 25L Convection Microwave Oven 25SC4. Many Indian homemakers, especially those loving non-vegetarian food, prefer the IFB microwave oven for the excellent options it offers. This IFB 25L convection microwave oven indeed makes cooking easier. Indian dishes have unique recipes. This IFB microwave oven features 26 standard Indian menus to satiate your palate at any time of the day. The auto defrost option is a unique one that enables easy defrosting of your frozen food. You have to enter the weight of the food to allow the appliance to decide the timer and defrosting options. Cleaning the microwave oven is easy using the steam clean option. It frees your oven of all grease within a few minutes. IFB offers the option to homemakers to learn the latest recipes. All one has to do is to purchase the IFB microwave oven and participate in the microwave cooking classes. You can soon become a champion cook yourself. This microwave oven features a convenient timer option that keeps you informed of the cooking time, power level and time at every stage. One of the critical safety features includes overheating protection. This feature ensures to switch off the microwave's heating element if the temperature inside the oven becomes too high. The Express Cook feature allows you to fast forward your cooking process. You can use this option and set the wait for the feature to take over. This IFB microwave oven uses a combination of two technologies, grill plus microwave and convection plus microwave. The product comes in a ready-to-use condition and does not require any installation. The aesthetic design blends beautifully with your other kitchen appliances and enhances the overall appeal. Pros. This microwave oven cooks food faster than an OTG. An easy-to-use cooking appliance, the capacity of 25L is suited for small Indian families. Cons. One should be careful of the utensils they use inside the microwave oven. If you want to buy, the Amazon link given in description. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 4 on my list, Samsung 32L Convection Microwave Oven, MC32J7035CT per teraliter. Samsung is a reputed manufacturer of consumer durables in India. Amongst the various appliances they manufacture, the microwave oven is a sought-after product. This Samsung 32L Convection Microwave Oven is the favorite of Indian homemakers. Samsung manufactures 3 types of ovens: convection, grill and solo microwave. This particular model under discussion is a convection microwave oven with a capacity of 32 liters, enough to cater to medium-sized Indian families. Slim Fry technology uses warm air circulation to make fried food healthier to eat. It does not use any oil for frying food, thereby not adding to the body's cholesterol content. One can make curd and dough at will by using the fermentation function. The best aspect of doing so is that you get fresh content whenever you need them. Tandoori rotis and naans come out beautifully as tandoor technology replicates tandoor-like conditions with temperatures in the range of 200 degrees Celsius. This Samsung oven features 220 pre-programmed Indian recipes that you can access with a touch of a single button. The 24x7 auto-cook menu provides mouth-watering pre-programmed recipes any time of the day. Download the My Recipe app on your smartphone and prepare the most delicious recipes for your family. This Samsung oven features wide grills, much unlike the conventional grill microwave ovens. It allows you to cook your food evenly, thereby enhancing its taste. It comes with a ceramic enamel cavity to enable easy cleaning of the interiors without having to scrub. This Samsung microwave oven comes equipped with safety features like child lock that prevent accidental operations by your children. The smart sensor reads the temperature of the food's surface to ensure precision cooking. The LED panel adds to the convenience factor. Pros: one of the most user-friendly appliances, high quality build, perfect for people who like less oil in their food. Cons: not the ideal oven for baking or roasting. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 3 on my list, Samsung 28L Convection Microwave Oven CE1041 DSB 2 per Tera liters. This Samsung Convection Microwave Oven is one of the best in the business because of its performance coupled with its attractive looks. Besides, it is one of the most effortless microwave ovens to use because of its user-friendly features. This oven has a capacity of 28 liters, large enough to suit the needs of a standard Indian family. Baking rotis is one of the best features of this convection microwave oven. The tandoor technology replicates a real-life tandoori kitchen with temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius. Hence, it is the perfect oven for making rotis, naans, parathas and other roti items. This oven makes the ideal curd, whereby you do not have to rush out to get a curd packet from the departmental store at any time. The advanced fermentation technology enables you to set the ideal temperature, thereby ensuring that you enjoy homemade curds and dough at any time. Various cooking options are available with the pre-programmed local recipes that enable you to prepare lip-smacking food for your family daily. One touch of a button is enough to prepare the most delicious food recipes, the likes of which you get at high-quality restaurants. This convection microwave oven lets you perform a variety of operations such as baking, grilling, cooking, fermentation, and much more. The oven comes with an aerodynamic handle to enable you to open the doors without any fuss. The turntable size of 318 mm is large enough to let you place big vessels for cooking rice or vegetables. This oven comes with LED display features that are easy to read and understand. The quartz convection heater is of the highest quality. It features a sheath grill heater for an excellent performance. This oven features 6 power levels and various cooking modes to ensure excellent performance. The defrost feature is another highlight of this oven, along with the slim fry and dough fermentation programs, thereby proving that the Samsung microwave oven is one of the best microwave ovens for home use. Pros: high quality performance with exquisite looks. 6 power levels with a convection temperature range from 40 to 200 degrees Celsius enables uniform cooking, thereby enhancing the taste. Cons: this product does not come with a starter kit. You have to download one from the website. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 2 on my list, IFB 20L Convection Microwave Oven 20SC2. IFB is a global leader in the manufacture of kitchen and home appliances. It manufactures some of the best convection microwave ovens in India to enable a wide range of culinary activities. This 20-liter microwave oven is ideal for small families and bachelors. The convection mode of functioning of this microwave oven lets you perform various options such as grilling, defrosting, reheating, and cooking. This microwave oven comes with easy-to-use control options that are sensitive to touch but easy to clean. The 24 auto-cook menu options are ideal, as it enables you to set the timer and carry on with your other work while the oven goes on with the process of cooking delicious food. One of the critical features of this appliance is that it provides multi-stage cooking. The auto-set cook option has 3 types of cooking cycles in its memory to ensure that you get high-quality and hygienic food every day. The auto-cook settings help you to change the settings without having to cancel the original ones. The defrost feature is an excellent one, as you have to enter the weight of the food item you wish to defrost. The appliance takes care of the rest. You end up saving considerable time because you do not have to monitor the process at all. The auto reheating feature is a pre-programmed one that saves time as well as power. This convection oven features a digital time display option to inform you about the cooking time, the power level, and time at every stage of the cooking process. The touch keypad control option is an excellent one to use. This appliance comes with a guarantee of 1 year on the product and 3 years on the magnetron and cavity. Learning to use this appliance is easy as the product comes with a starter kit. This convection oven should rank as one of the best microwave ovens under 10,000 rupees. Pros: excellent cooking appliance for small families, easy to use, features high quality performance with adequate safety regulations. Cons: the cavity is small for placing a rice pot. Baking cakes is an issue with this oven. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 1 on my list, LG 32L Convection Microwave Oven MC3286BRUM. The LG microwave oven is a favorite with many a homemaker in India. Yes, life's good when you use LG products in your home. This 32-liter capacity oven is perfectly suitable for large families. As it is a convection model, you can use it for various activities like baking, grilling, reheating, defrosting, and cooking, and many more. This microwave oven has 211 Indian auto-cook menu options. Hence, it is an all-purpose microwave oven. Here are some of its best features. Diet fry feature enables you to prepare your favorite fried eatables like samosas, pakoras, and others with a minimum quantity of oil without compromising on the taste factor. This oven is capable of baking 12 different types of rotis like naans, kulchas, parathas, lachas, tandoori rotis, rumali rotis, and so on at one touch of a button. The auto-cook menu comes with pre-programmed cooking time and temperature, whereby it becomes easy to select the respective dish and press the start option. The pasteurized milk feature eliminates the need to boil the milk, thereby providing no room for spillage. This feature heats the milk at a temperature below the boiling point of milk and helps in preserving the nutrients. Hence, it avoids the need for any supervision while preventing contamination. Thus, you save time and labor. Another unique feature of this microwave oven is that it makes ghee in 12 minutes. Making paneer is an absolute dream as this oven blends curds without using chemicals and enzymes to churn hygienic paneer. Indian foods like paneer and chicken tikka requires even distribution of heat from all angles. This convection oven provides 360-degree rotation to enable the preparation of your barbecue recipes as well. The multi-cook tawa helps in even distribution of heat. This oven comes with a stainless steel cavity that is durable and enables uniform heating by providing better reflection. The quartz heater is concealed, thereby acting as a safety feature by preventing accidental scalding of your hands. Cleaning the microwave oven is easy because of the steam clean feature that eliminates grease and grime with absolute ease. In simple words, the LG 32-liter appliance is the best convection microwave oven in India. Pros: a multi-purpose cooking appliance that can cook a variety of delicacies. 32-liter capacity makes it ideal for large Indian families, easy and safe to use. Cons: cannot carry heavy loads at frequent intervals, can make noise at times. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Thank you, have a nice day.